Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel and this video. In this video we will talk about the Adsterra earning tricks using the Facebook Reels method. At the end of this video you will learn how to link the Adsterra ads link and code correctly that can be shared by Facebook community standards. And earn money through this easy and effective technique of your Facebook Reels viewers. Let's get started the video. I have been working with Adsterra for a few months already. It's my balance. If you don't have any blog or website to running Adsterra ads, and want to share it into your social media page, you need to build a homepage like this on sites.google.com. Google Sites allows you to create a website without having to know how to code it yourself. It's just a drag and drop page builder. If you want to learn more about sites.google.com and create website for your personal blog or profile company, check out the playlist in description of this video. I want to place some Adsterra text link in this page. Select the text, then click on this site link, and paste the Adsterra direct link. Right now this text is turned into a link. Whenever someone clicks on it, it takes them to another page which is provided by Adsterra. You can turn many of text into links with the same method on your page. You can also upload and share some of the videos and methods you use to top up your balance on Adsterra from your PC and YouTube. Google Sites can be a workable solution if you want a free way to build a very simple website. However, for most people it would be worth investing a little time and money to use a more full-featured website building solution. Canva's video editor makes it easy to create Reels video for your social media. Here you can use Reel template that provided by Canva and upload your photos from PC. Then set the correct dimensions for your video. Many Canva elements are free to use. You can access and apply them to your design or image with a single click from your free account. Let's review the page that we created by sites.google. Whenever your visitor click on the link, a pop-up ads will display like this. In this sign up button, I placed my referral and Adsterra invitation link. For refer every new publisher to Adsterra network by referral link, I earn 5% of their revenue. The more people I refer, the more income I can get. And this is my referral statistics list, and people are invited and join in Adsterra network through my referral link. Let's upload and publish the video reel we made with Canva, and the links page we made with sites.google.com. Paste the site link in the description of video. And tap Share Reels to publish your reel. As we can see, the video is uploaded without any community standard warning. I hope you find this video useful, and see you on next video.